Hi all, today we will be talking about the Smrc S20, that is the DJI Spark clone, and specifically we will do a test flight. This is a drone that I just recently acquired, and we'll be happy to make some wonderful videos for you and also some reviews. Okay, and this is just a brief demonstration on how to install the props. We will not be using the props on our test flight, but I just thought it wise to just give you guys a brief demonstration on how to install it. Also, size-wise, this drone is slightly bigger than the Maverick Maverick Pro clone. For those who've been following me, they know about this particular drone. I did a comparison with the Vivita AeroView, and also it is slightly bigger than the actual DJI Spark. But holding the two of them, you notice that the DJI Spark is a far better quality drone as compared to either the Maverick Pro clone, that is the Chinese Maverick Pro, or the S20. Alright guys, let's go outside, let's get this bad boy airborne, and hopefully this gives us a good experience. Okay, get ready. Let's see here. Oh yeah, we're airborne. Okay, not a bad stat, guys. Let's see. And just so you all know, I did not calibrate or do any of that stuff. It's straight out of the box. So this is really wonderful. As you can see, it's pretty stable. And let's try and see if we can do some trick. Oh yes, it flips. Let's do that again. By the way, it's drifting a little bit, so I think I need to do some adjusting. It's drifting, but not that bad. But given that it's made in flight and I haven't tweaked or twisted anything, it's pretty decent. I'll tell you right now, I like this drone. It flips to the left, to the right, backward and forward, so that's good. All I'm thinking right now, I hope the video quality is also great, but I do not really mind. I just enjoy flying. I do not really, mind about videos. I have other drones that I use when I want to do videos, so this one would just be for just the flying experience. I can tell you right now, I have not spent even 2 hours flying this drone, but I can tell you that I prefer this drone more than the Maverick Pro clone, the Chinese Maverick Pro. This drone has a better control to it, and it is a fine drone. It kind of wants to give me a feel as though I'm flying the Spark, maybe because they look alike, but with the Spark you feel that you feel a little bit different. I think I'll be doing some comparisons between these and the Smrc just to, let you all know what the differences are, and if whether this actually is a good drone. If you intend to buy the Spark, maybe you buy this and crash this a few times before actually getting the the Spark. But I can tell you this drone flies great. All the speed levels are really working really nice. See, I just increased the speed. I'm really having me some fun. Oh no. Oh Lord, talking too much, not paying attention. This is what happens, guys. Oh yeah. Oh no. Oh Lord. Oh yeah. I would have to change these props that are broken. Alright guys, I just changed the props, and I just want to do another test flight to see if it works well, if everything is going on alright with the drone. Since I had that terrible crash, it was my fault. I was just having fun and switching from one speed level to another, so I went to the third, which was the highest, but before I knew it, it was too fast for me to make that turn, so I crashed it into the wall. But as you can see, it is working just fine. It is working great actually. So yep, I'm not too sure where I had left out, but if I remember correctly, I was trying to give a heads up that I will be making some comparisons between this drone and the DJI Spark, and also with the Maverick Pro clone, clone to clone, and then of course everyone knows I have to compare it to my Vivita AeroView video drone. So yep, but for now I am loving this drone and I really like it. It is a wonderful drone, guys. It is a good starter drone. I have not tested the videos yet, the video quality yet, but for those who are looking for a starter drone right now, this is my second time flying this drone. I can tell you it is a good drone. It has a very good control, nice stability. For those who like the flips, as you can see, it flips very well, and you can also do a lot of other stunts with it, I imagine. So I will be making some videos on those as well. So guys, just enjoy the flight with me. All right, guys, please leave your comments below. Questions. I'll be very happy as always to respond as timely as possible. Thank you all for watching. Have a nice day.